Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. If you have a P80 car and you need to verify your computer, what type of computer you have in there, the ECU number, you want to open the hood and you have to access the computers under this box. I normally take a long flat tip screwdriver and pry this clip up over here. It has a clip here. You could pull this tube off of here. Then it has a clip here. You pry these clips up, you can access this box. Easier to do with two hands. Since I'm filming, two hands not an option. Hold that phone for me. Now these are your two computers. This one that says ASIN is your transmission computer. Has a series of numbers here and these two big numbers here. This is your engine computer. It says Bosch. It manages your engine and it's got a couple numbers here. You want to see what these numbers are here. That looks like 7.2. To pull this ECU, you simply pull this back and then pull this up. It's removed. To put it back, you align the slots front and back. You push it all the way down in there and you push that back. It locks it back in place. So you want to know what these two numbers are here. You usually can see them. Not sure why this one's faded out and dirty. If you made it this far, I trust that you found some information that was either useful or entertaining, so go ahead and hit the like button. And if you would like notification of future videos that I post, please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your support. You can follow me on other social media apps by looking for @RobertDIY. Some form of that should bring up the other channels that I have on places like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and so forth. If for some reason you need some more personal help, go to my website at robertdiy.com and use the phone number that I have posted there to send me a text message, or you can email me. If you have questions or comments, please make a comment below. And if you'd like to make some kind of financial contribution to what I got going on here, go to my channel and hit the more link at the end of the introduction statement, and it'll show you different ways that you can support me financially. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.